room. Hey guys, it's me Quang here, back with another video, and today I just gone from Apple Store. Everyone has this one single hype that is all over the roof. Guess what? Ow! It's the iPad Pro. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump to the main character. This, ladies and gents, is the base model 11-inch 128GB iPad Pro. Flip to this back here, you can see very clearly is a 128GB. I've also complemented the purchase with an Apple Pencil, which will come in very handy for another time. Let's go ahead and taking the damn thing off. Let's go. But first I have to pick the mic up real close for satisfaction. This is the iPad Pro 11-inch. You have paperwork, which comes with, you know, a bunch of paperworks, including iPad Pro stuff, double 2 stickers, and USB-C, and your 29-watt charging brick. And the next thing to complement the iPad Pro is, well, of course, your Apple Pencil right here. So let's go ahead and peel this off as well. It's a bit sticky. There's another pull tab, which you can just pull it off, open this up, and there we go. Fresh new Apple Pencil. Oh my gosh, look how amazing this thing is. Take a look at that, look how thin this bloody thing is. Whoa, that is so cool. Man, I mean, okay, these are the first fingerprints, and Apple Pencil would go on top. Like that. There you go. Man, I've never dreamed of any day of me holding some kind of technology like this. And no, this is actually, I paid most of this on my own money, thanks to cryptocurrency. Apparently, some guy named Elon Musk, he pushed Bitcoin up to a very, very high level, and then somehow he tweeted something and then it went drooped. But luckily, I sold it when it's still high and got myself something very nice, like this. Thanks so much, man. Couldn't thank you anymore. Anyways, let's go ahead and set this up. Oh, I almost forgot. There's something else that I want to use as well, because this thing, you notice, doesn't have a headphone jack. That's sad, because I need a headphone jack on an iPad, so I went myself out and I bought this. And fun fact, Apple actually sells dongles that are cheaper than other people, for once, they're actually cheap. I'm not joking. These are $15 in Australia, and the other brands like Samsung and stuff, they cost a little bit more than that. But still, this is the cheapest adapter you can hold on to and you can get, and I don't know, man, like it just fits, like, well, you know what, 3, 2, 1, boom, yeah, there you go. It's like a little thing dingling on the back. That's what you call dongles, and this is why I don't like dongles. Oh, it's kind of, there you go, it needs some force. But yeah, let's go ahead and set this up. Yeah guys, let me walk you through this iPad, a little bit about the specs. So you have a 12 megapixel camera here with wide angle lens, center stage, whatever the heck people are on about. Thunderbolt 4 with, you know, quadruple speakers. Lock button, you know, tactile volume buttons with the docking space for your Apple Pencil. Into the back we have a 10 megapixel wide angle lens and a 12 megapixel I don't know what angle it is lens, and you have a LiDAR sensor, a flash just like iPhone. You have a smart connector here for your smart, you know, devices. You have antenna for Wi-Fi. I wish there's another, I think there must be another one for 5G if you had one, in a SIM thing here. And you have microphone there, microphone here, microphone at the top. I think there's none at the bottom, and that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and switch the guy on. Yeah, see, it faces the right way for once. Which is actually, a lot of people were commenting about, oh, the iPad's facing the right way, but when it starts to go to the setup, it goes, oh wait, I thought it's going the other way, but it goes the right way. Alright, let's go and choose my language. But firstly, you can see that the screen is extremely smooth and fast and quick and nimble and agile, and I don't know, so many words you can use. So okay, it prompts to use Apple ID and then it just froze the screen. So what I'll do is the same as I did for the iPhone 12 Pro Max that I did for the setup. So I just want everything to be carried over. You know, it's just me. I mean, look at this. Just look at this terrible mess I made. And then look at this now. I promise I won't treat it as badly as this. And you guys, if you guys are wondering why this doesn't have any case, it's because I'm waiting for the Logitech Combo Touch to be available, so that I can just hands on with the case and I'll give a comprehensive review. But other than that, I'll just gonna carry this as my day-to-day iPad. This will be for mainly home use or probably, you know, productivity and some other stuff that's going to happen when this has a case on, and I'll do the case review for, you know, the 11-inch iPad Pro. Alright, so I just need to type in the passcode of my other iPad and I'll be good to go. Alright, so this feels like iPhone 12 setup now, so let's just continue. You can see I can just root a portrait and then set up my Face ID as usual. Oh my gosh, look at me. You can see my hair is a bit clunky, but yeah. Look at my face. Alright, cool. So, yeah, transferring data. Alright, done. Just agree to the terms and conditions, and let's just disable it for now. Siri, yeah, later. I'll pick voice one. Oh gosh. I'll be right back. Okay, I might figure out there's a new software update to install, so let me just go ahead and download it and install them. Alright, and I'll be right back after this iPad has completely set it up. Alright, so it's stuck at preparing update for 5 minutes now, but there's something a little bit funny I want to show you. Learn more. Click the damn link, man. Click the damn link. It's the damn link. We have nothing to show you, just click the damn link. Yes, I just ran Geekbench for my iPad, and check this score. What? This is insane. Some people said It's like 6,800 or something. I got like freaking that. That's good compared to the iPad. Ouch. This is 6-year-old tablet. Yeah. Yeah.